Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to combine all your animations from Mixamo from this website right here. Let's see, what do I have with Mixamo? Let's say you select 5 to 10 animations from this website, you download them with the skin, as in FBX. I'm going to show you how to combine all of them within Blender so that when you bring it into Godot, which we're running Godot version 4.4.1, I think. Yeah, Godot 4.4.1. And we're going to be using Blender version 5.0.1. So there's a lot of tutorials out there that create confusion. So if you stick with me, I will show you how to combine all these animations so that you could import all of these animations directly into your um, Godot game engine. Okay, so let's begin with, let's see here. First, you want to go to Mixamo. You want to search your animations or upload your character. This is my character here. You can type in walking, idle, crouch. Select whatever animations you want and just download them, each one individually. You can download it with the skin and as an FBX file. So then, after you download all of them, the next goal is to combine them. To combine them, I've written a custom script here with Python. So this folder here, when you extract it, you could get it into downloads. This one's a script that grabs everything you put into the uploads folder. So here are all the downloads, right? MMA kick, the crouching idle, standing to crouch, crouch sneaking. Download that, put all of them into your uploads folder, and it's going to put them in the output. So let me go ahead and delete these real quick because I already did it. So once they're inside or the uploads, everything you want to combine into one file, just double click the bat file. What it's going to do, it's going to run up Blender in the background, and it's going to start combining all of these for you and creating the names for them and putting them into the file. And then at the end, it asks you if you want to delete the files from the upload. I'm just going to put no in this case and just go ahead and space to continue. And it's going to put it in the output. It's going to create both the FBX file and the GBL that you could drop directly. A quick note, when you extract this, you want to go into your env file, edit. If it's not working, edit it with a notepad. Let me grab notepad. I went to the other screen here. It's going to have an .env file environment. So make sure that this path matches your system path. This one's mine by default under Program Files, Blender. Make sure you update this first, save it, then go ahead and run Combine Animations. Let's jump into Blender now. Let's minimize this, jump into Blender. AXD to clear everything out. Let's go ahead and right here from our Combine Animation output folder, we could drag that FBX file straight into Blender 5. You get a dialog box here and you can import immediately. So here we have the animation. We want to select the armature. Let's go to pose mode. Drag down here, click this, go to dope sheet, action editor. And here you could select the action from crouching and it automatically switches. Falling flat, you press space to play the animation. Standing idle. Let's watch it a little bit better. Standing idle. Crouch. Jumping. So it's all ready to go. Now, yeah, you can go to File, export as a GBL. You get this dialog. Make sure the transform, this has to be checked up because the axis direction inside Godot is a little bit different. This has to be checked. But it's not necessary to export it because, again, inside the combine file, in here, you already have a GBL file that you could import into Godot. And once you go into your animation player, you could go to manage animations and add it. Make sure you add it under assets first, and then you could see it played in here. All your animations will play in here. Okay, let's recap because I know there's gonna people are gonna have trouble. Download the file in the description below. Go ahead and check it out before you run anything. Always check it out. You could run it through. You click this Python file, and you could click Notepad++, and you could examine it. Make sure that nothing suspicious is going on. All it's doing is just running the Blender and joining everything for you. Always examine this file. You could examine the bat file. Make sure that nothing fishy is going on in here. All it's doing is just running the Python file from the Blender file and combining everything for you. Then you go to Mixamo, download all the animations you want, FBX, put them in the uploads folder, just like this. Make sure your environment file has the correct path. Then you hit combine animations, creates the output. That GBO, you could drop it directly into here. All you have to do is change the import. You want to re-import it as an animation library. Then when you create a character body 3D, you could add the animation player. And from the animation player, you hit animations and manage animations, and then you could load it from your files. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. I will be watching the comments and reply back. I really hope this video helps you out, and I will see you in the next one.